everyone, it's Jo. Today's video is going to be a quick review of the Outre Annie half wig that I have on. Many of you guys know that I do not apply, or I don't like to apply a lot of heat to my hair. So if I do straighten my hair, it's maybe once a year, if that much, sometimes twice. It really depends. I rarely use my blow dryer that I have. I love this wig because it literally looks like I just blew my hair out. My friend has the same exact wig and I'm like, girl, how have you been using this wig? I don't know how to wear it. And she just sent me a YouTube video and I'm like, duh. So I was just like up looking at simple ways to style a wig, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe that I've had this half wig for so long and I did not know how to wear it. So what I'm going to do in my next video is show maybe about 5 or so, or maybe a little bit more if I do have enough time, to show how I style this half wig. Earlier today I had it just this one side braid all the way down. I just right before the video I took a pin, I wrapped it around my head and I put a pin here. You might see like a little bit of the hair sticking out. It's whatever, but it's really simple to wear. I do have a wig cap on, and like maybe this much of my hair I have out, and then I just mixed it with the wig hair. It is a synthetic wig. I have not gotten it wet or anything as yet. I know there are different styles that I can use with it or wear with it, as far as mixing it in a braid out, a twist out. I have not tried any of those styles yet. I just want to wear it blown out for a little bit longer until I kind of get bored of the blown out look. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. A lot of people know that natural hair tends to shrink. So a lot of people were asking me, like, did I just blow it out? A couple of people asked if I got extensions. And you know, some people I'm like, thank you. And then other people I'm like, girl, you need to get this half wig. Like, it's that good. As you can see, it does tangle somewhat in the back. I've been wearing it for the past couple of weeks, maybe about 10 times or so within the past month. But again, like, I either put it back in the bag or I just have it hanging out. When I do want to detangle, I just use my detangling brush. It's kind of like a tangle teaser, but it's by Goody. I purchased this from my local Duane Reade. If you guys know, Duane Reade is owned by Walgreens, so you can get it at Duane Reade, Walgreens. It has little combs, so I can't use this so much with my natural hair, but I can definitely use it with this hair, and I'm able to comb it with no problem. It's able to take the tangles out. I got this buy one get one half off, or buy one get one free. Yeah, I'm able to detangle super easily. It's very light. It was under $15, so it's super affordable. If it does get messed up or whatever, you're able to just get a new one. It's maybe about waist length in the front, and a little bit past my collarbone in the back, a little bit over my tailbone in the back. If you guys do have any questions, or if you like this wig on me, if you want to see how I do different styles with this half wig, let me know in the comment section. I do plan on doing a style video, so definitely come back so you can see it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.